Yes guys, it's Vishnu here, back with new video. So how you all doing? Hope fine and great. So just follow me and subscribe my channel and like my video, and please watch the video by the end, because in the end I will give you best tips which no one talks about. And without making further ado, let's get started about today's topic. Yes guys, so you have already seen the thumbnail, so you know what this video gonna be about. So today's topic is how to clean our air, how to clean our airwax, right? So before I tell you what to do, I must tell you what not to do, because I know you all have been using so many things to clean your airwax. So all I'm saying, are you really using this cotton swab or any spiky or small object to clean your airwax? Stop using it unless you want to harm your eardrums or you want to lose your hearing power. You must stop it. Yes guys, so first one is baking soda. So I won't waste your time describing about what the baking soda is, because you all know it, what it is, where to get to. So simply I'm gonna say, simply take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and dissolve it in 2 ounces of warm water. Now if you have dropper bottle, which is this, if you have dropper bottle, then what you have to do, just pour this solution in dropper bottle, then drip 5 to 10 drop of this solution in your ear, just like that. Okay, after pouring the solution in the dropper bottle, just tilt your head. After tilting, drip 5 to 10 drop of this solution in your ear and leave it for 30 minutes. And after then, you can simply wash it off with water or with tissue paper, and do this once in a day for maximum 10 days. And your airwax will be completely gone and your ear will be completely clean. Yes guys, second one is oil. Now airwax is just an oil. It's just an oil like coconut oil or Vaseline. That's why you must have seen them being waxed in a winter. That's why you have seen your mom keeping coconut oil in sunshine to be melted again, to be liquid again. And if you warm airwax, it will be liquid again. So airwax is just an oil. So what happened? Oil. Okay, these are so many oil which you can pick whichever you have in your home. So oil can cause your airwax to be liquid again, that you can clean it off very easily. When two same substance come into contact, that's what's gonna happen. That's what I'm saying. Oil is very easy to remove your airwax. All you have to do, simply warm whichever oil you have to pick, just pick warm. And after then, if you have dropper bottle, easy to drip solution in your ear if you have dropper bottle. If you don't have, then you can use your spoon. So after then, simply drip 5 to 10 drop of this warm oil into your ear, then leave it for 30 minutes. After then, you can clean it off just like that, and it will be so magically gone. So this one. Third one is hydrogen peroxide. Now I know most of you, when you heard this hydrogen peroxide, so the first thing came in your mind is, oh, I'm not gonna use this, or I can't get this. So I must tell you, you have already used this. Okay, the thing is, the name is so complicated and its name sounds so hard. Then I say, this is rocket science, it can make Obama, Donald Trump, Obama. It's not nothing like that. Hydrogen peroxide is simply antiseptic. You can wash your face with this. It's simply antiseptic used to prevent skin infection from minor cut or scratches. So you have nothing to do, simply just buy it, and after buying, what you have to do, drip 5 to 10 drop of this hydrogen peroxide into your ear and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. After then, simply clean it. Okay, why I'm saying leave it for 15 to 20 minutes? Let this solution, let this hydrogen peroxide to penetrate the earwax, that you can clean it off just like that. Yes guys, so what I'm saying, just use these 3 methods what I told you, these home remedies, and your ear won't have earwax again. Thank you. Thank you to watch this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you really want me to make some video about some specific topic, then feel free to comment and I will make it. Thank you.